Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you how to customize search engines in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge address bar. I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. Firstly, let's get started from adding custom search engines to Chrome's address bar. Click the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser. Click the Settings option from the menu. Navigate to Search Engine in the left sidebar. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search item. Click the Add button. Configure your custom search engine. Provide a simple and clear name in the name field. Assign a keyword to invoke this search engine in the shortcut field. You can employ @ followed by the relevant abbreviation as the keyword. Enter the URL of your custom search engine. Replace the search term with %s, for instance, replacing hello with %s. Click the Add button to complete the configuration. You can select tab or space or tab to invoke the respective search engine. And you can set it as the default by clicking the 3-dot icon and selecting Make Default. Move to the second part, configuring custom search engines for Firefox's address bar. Start from Way 1, install the appropriate search engine extension. Navigate to the relevant settings page. Click Manage More Settings. Open the Search Settings page. Click on Find More Search Engines at the bottom of the page. Search for the desired search engine extension. Click Add to Firefox. Then return to the original settings page. You will find the YouTube search engine in the Search Shortcuts section. Move to the second method, employ the Add Custom Search Engine extension. Navigate to the relevant settings page. Click Manage More Settings. Open the Search Settings page. Click on Find More Search Engines at the bottom of the page. Search for Add Custom Search Engine. Install the Add Custom Search Engine extension for Firefox. Click on the extension's icon in the top right corner. Select this extension to open it. Configure the custom search engine on this page. Click the Add Custom Search Engine button. Move the cursor to the address bar, right-click, and select Add 20. Go to the Search Settings page. Add a keyword to this custom search engine. Now you can use the custom engine in your address bar. Next, move to part 3, implementing custom search engines in Edge's address bar. Paste the corresponding command into the address bar. Click the Add button to introduce a custom search engine to Edge. Complete the required information in the Add Site search window. Then click Add button. That's all. Thank you for watching. This concludes our guide on customizing search engines in the address bars of Chrome, Firefox, and Edge.